Hello and welcome to Gigasoft Pro Essentials V10. At the end of the setup, select the checkboxes for GigaPrime 3D, GigaPrime 2D, and PE Demo to launch the pre-built version 10 demos. Introducing GigaPrime 3D. This WPF demo and example project demonstrate charting for material surface scans or PNG height-map data files. Dragging the mouse with the left button rotates and tilts the scene, while dragging with the middle button adjusts the light position. The top right slider shifts an X-axis pane created using graph annotations, while the far right 2D line chart updates to display the sliced data. This slider adjusts the grid aspect Y property, vertically stretching the data for a more pronounced effect. The Show Contour property quickly adds a bottom 2D contour to any 3D surface chart. Left button dragging on top the 2D contour will zoom into your 3D data. Scrolling the 2D chart pans the 3D chart. Demo sliders show how to programmatically rotate and tilt, translate the chart's location, zoom, and rotate the light location around the scene. The top left drop-down list box allows loading a variety of surface scans and height map data files. Pro Essentials' world-class performance effortlessly handles loading new data into the 3 charts and re-rendering them. Pro Essentials leverages optimized compute shaders to construct scenes on the GPU, enabling the charting of larger datasets and enhancing the speed of your application's user interface. Competitors drain your end user's laptop battery by relying on repurposed open-source gaming logic that continuously outputs 60 frames per second. In contrast, Pro Essentials generates frames only on demand, significantly reducing the power required to render graphics in your solutions. Gigasoft avoids relying on generic, broad, open-source APIs. Instead, Pro Essentials is meticulously designed with a custom-built graphics interface to minimize CPU and GPU usage. Don't just take our word for it. Put us to the test. Simply edit our GigaPrime 3D example using a competitor's solution and compare the performance, rendering quality, intelligence, and the amount of code required to replicate the demo's end-user functionality. Thank you for your continued interest in Pro Essentials. The next demo, GigaPrime 2D, demonstrates 100 million data points being fully processed and re-rendered every 15 milliseconds. The top left checkbox starts and stops the demo's timer. Use the horizontal slider to adjust the level of X-axis zoom. Regardless of the zoom level, 100 million data points are continuously plotted in real time. Pro Essentials simplifies working with multiple Y-axes. End users can easily combine axes or adjust an axis's size with a straightforward property change. See the GigaPrime 2D example project's tick event to study the code updating this chart. It's only a few lines. The chart is set to use local memory storage. Simply update your memory to update the chart. Why is Pro Essentials so fast? First, Pro Essentials efficiently transfers all new data from the CPU to the GPU using optimized memory copy logic. Second, a compute shader is utilized to perform lossless filtering of the data, reducing it to an optimal quantity based on the screen resolution. Compute shaders operate with the power of over 3,000 CPU cores, working in parallel to tackle problems simultaneously. This enables filtering to be completed instantaneously. Third, a specialized compute shader processes the filtered data into vertex and, optionally, index buffers, which the GPU utilizes to render the frame. This process is executed nearly instantaneously. Gigasoft's third demo, PE Demo, offers a comprehensive collection of examples specifically designed to demonstrate how to effectively utilize our properties. The default example 30 highlights Pro Essentials' powerful multi-axis capabilities and efficient handling of discontinuous date-time data. The table on the left is a table annotation, capable of displaying both static and real-time data while also functioning as a selectable list box. Adjusting the visible subsets dynamically updates the visible axes automatically. Adjusting the point label orientation intelligently reorganizes the x-axis and its specialized date grid lines, allowing for the display of a greater number of date-time strings with enhanced clarity. Take a glimpse of the charts by scrolling down the example list. Example 15 shows the basics of graph annotations. Example 17 is a simple strip chart. No x-axis data, just a sequence of y values. Examples 26 through 29 show more examples of table annotations. Table annotations are versatile and can also display paragraphs of text. Version 10 adds two-dimensional point labels to be placed below the x-axis. Examples 100 through 200 showcase the PESGO control, which stands for Pro Essentials Scientific Graph Object. Utilize simple properties and events to create custom tooltip cursor prompts, including dynamic color changes for enhanced interactivity. Example 110 demonstrates the Graph Annotation Quick Draw feature, enabling efficient real-time drawing directly on the chart using graph annotations. This example also serves as an excellent demonstration for zooming in and examining our logarithmic scale construction logic. Example 115 is similar to the GigaPrime 2D example project. Examples 120 through 122, 139 and 148 demonstrate 2D contours rendered on the GPU using advanced compute shaders. Example 148, showcasing the highest performance. Example 127 showcases how to use simple properties and events to seamlessly add custom menu items to the built-in pop-up menu. Partial y-axes. Y-axes with vertical grid numbers and embedded vertical legends, combined with extra x-axes, exemplify our robust multiple and overlapped y-axes features. Easily create custom grids using line annotations or event-based grid number formatting, allowing you to replace grid line labels with any desired text. Datetime handling includes specialized logic and formatting for precise millisecond-level resolution. Example 140 demonstrates symbols as custom bitmaps. Version 10 introduces the option for a secondary contour legend, enabling the representation of a fourth dimension within the chart. Examples 145 and 146 demonstrate GPU side construction using compute shaders and circular buffers to efficiently append data to your charts in real time. Pro Essentials version 10 provides support for Delaunay triangulation to visualize your point cloud data. Example 148 highlights Pro Essentials' world-class charting performance by showcasing real-time 2D contours. Users can seamlessly zoom with the mouse wheel while the chart updates in real time. Version 10 enhances the capabilities of angled, left-centered, right-justified graph annotation text, offering options for the text to align with the slope of a line or use a specified absolute angle. Pro Essentials delivers the most intelligent rendering for zoomed Polar and Smith chart axes, ensuring precision and clarity. Pro Essentials pie charts feature highly intelligent rendering, eliminating awkward text placement, grouping sliver slices seamlessly, and more for optimal presentation. Examples in the 400 range highlight the PE3DO control. Double-click the chart to initiate auto-rotation and use number keys 1 through 9 to focus the zoom. Press the same key again to reset the zoom. Don't forget, Pro Essentials is still handling real-time charting of 100 million points every 15 milliseconds in the GigaPrime 2D demo and smoothly rotating the GigaPrime 3D demo, all while recording this video. Pro Essentials offers visually appealing 3D logarithmic scales, nonlinear contour legends, and, with version 10, introduces the option to enhance grid line brightness for improved clarity. Pro Essentials stands as the unrivaled world leader in oil and gas charting components. Double-click the chart and press a key, 1 to 9, to seamlessly fly down a well borehole. Pro Essentials Example 404 demonstrates a 3D scatter chart with log scaling and an isometric perspective, eliminating 3D distortion by rendering objects at the back of the scene without appearing smaller. Example 405 features a straightforward 3D bar chart, enhanced in version 10 with the addition of box graph annotations for greater customization. Examples 410 through 413 showcase Pro Essentials 3D real-time capabilities, with example 413 demonstrating the full power of Pro Essentials and your PC by updating 720,000 vertices every 15 milliseconds. Pro Essentials version 10 introduces 3D Delaunay triangulation for point cloud visualization, along with optional 2D Delaunay triangulation on the bottom axis plane for enhanced clarity. Additionally, the new 4DW data feature enables coloring of 3D surfaces based on fourth-dimensional W data. Example 416 showcases the creation of complex graph annotations, including cones, cylinders, spheres, boxes, 2D ellipses, rectangles, and arrows. These annotations are precisely defined using facing and perpendicular unit vectors for advanced customization. Pro Essentials is an excellent choice for integrating into LabVIEW projects and virtual instruments. The evaluation package includes a LabVIEW charting example project and offers both ActiveX and Windows Forms options for seamless integration. The ActiveX interface maintains a native implementation with a straightforward, flat property structure, while many may prefer the modern Windows Forms alternative. To kickstart your LabVIEW charting integration, explore the provided chart's virtual instrument block diagrams. The Pro Essentials LabVIEW project replicates demo example 400, featuring graph annotations and advanced zoom focusing logic for an enhanced user experience. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the grand finale. First, we want to thank you for watching the video this far. We truly appreciate your time. Now, get ready to witness all demos in action, as the PE demo showcases the 4 most intensive examples in stunning detail. GPU and CPU utilization remains under 25%. To emphasize, Pro Essentials is designed to maximize efficiency by avoiding the use of repurposed, generic open-source libraries that constantly emit unnecessary frames. Instead, Pro Essentials only renders frames on demand, ensuring optimal performance without wasting system energy or resources. Pro Essentials is undeniably a well-engineered, fast, if not the fastest, most visually professional, and energy-efficient charting solution available. What more could you ask for to meet your mission-critical desktop charting needs?